Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about operations on rational numbers. And this is the part 1 of the video wherein I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract a fraction. So remember, to add or subtract similar fractions, add or subtract the numerators and copy the denominators. Again, kapag nag-add or nagsasubtract tayo ng similar fractions, when we say similar fractions, they have a common denominator or pareha ang kanilang denominator. Pag sinabi natin common, pareha. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-add or isa-subtract lang natin yung numerators and then copy the denominator. And always remember, all the rules that apply to operation in integers is also used in operation on fraction. And always express your answer in lowest term. And also, if you are going to add or subtract the similar fractions, when we say the similars, magkaiba. Magkaiba ang kanilang denominator. So, what you are going to do is change each fraction to equivalent fraction with the LCD as the new denominator. Then, proceed to addition or subtraction of similar fractions. So, to understand it further, I have here an example. 7 over 13 plus 4 over 13. So, as you can see, they have a common or similar denominator. So, what you are going to do is add the numerator. So, 7 plus 4 over 13. Because you are just going to copy the denominator. Then, simplify. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. And copy 13. So, therefore, our answer is 11 over 13. Another example is 5 over 9 plus 7 over 9. So, again, add the numerator which is 5 and 7. And copy the denominator which is 9. Then, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. And copy 9 as a denominator. So, 5 over 9 plus 7 over 9 is equal to 12 over 9. And 12 over 9 can be reduced to lowest term. They are both divisible by 3. So, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now, 12 over 9 is equal to 4 over 3 or 1 and 1/3. Next example is negative 5 over 7 plus 2 over 7. So again, add the numerator. So negative 5 plus 2 over 7. Since you are just copying the denominator. As I said earlier, we are going to apply the rules in adding integers. So, since they are unlike sign, because 5 is negative and 2 is positive, instead of adding it, we are going to subtract. So, negative 5 plus 2 or 5 minus 2 is equal to negative 3. Why negative 3? Because 5 is greater than 2. So, we are going to copy the sign of negative 5. And just copy the denominator. So, our answer is negative 3 over 7. How about if we have 9 over 11 minus 7 over 11? So, again, as long as they have similar denominator, just do the operation in the numerator and copy the denominator. So again, always remember, as long as they are similar fraction, similar fraction, ibig sabihin magkapareha ang kanilang denominator, just do the operation. So kung plus siya, magpa-plus ka lang. Kung minus siya, magma-minus ka lang din. Pero laging tatandaan, i-apply natin yung rules sa addition of integers. Na kapag unlike sign, magsa-subtract tayo kahit addition yung operation niya. So let's go back to the given. So what you are going to do is subtract the numerator. So 9 minus 7. Then copy 11. Then simplify. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 over 11. So the final answer is 2 over 11. Next is 6 over 25 minus 11 over 25. So what you are going to do is 6 minus 11 over 25. Now, let's simplify. 6 minus 11, the answer is negative 5. Then copy 25. Therefore, the answer is negative 5 over 25 or negative 1 over 5 because we reduce it to lowest term. Now, what if we are adding a mixed number? So, we add the whole number, which is 2 and 4, and put it here. Then, add the fraction 4 over 11 plus 6 over 11. Now, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Add the numerator of a given fraction, so 4 plus 6, and copy the denominator. So the final answer is 6 and 10 over 11. Or you can use this another way of solving by making the mixed number become an improper fraction. So, to make 2 and 411 as an improper fraction, multiply first 11 and 2. So, the answer is 22 plus 4 is equal to 26. Then, copy the denominator. So, it will become 26 over 11. Same process to the other one. Multiply 11 by 4. So, the answer is 44. Plus 6 is equal to 50. Then, over 11 because you are just copying the denominator. So, it will become 50 over 11. Now, after making this as a proper fraction, you can proceed to adding similar fraction. So, add the numerator. So, 26 plus 50. Then, copy the denominator, which is 11. So, 26 plus 50 is equal to 76 over 11 or 6 and 10 over 11. Let's have another example. 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6. This time, the fraction that was given is the similar fraction. So, when we say the similar fraction, their denominator are not the same. So, as I said at the beginning of this video, if they are the similar fraction, change each fraction to equivalent fraction with the LCD as the new denominator before we proceed in adding or subtracting similar fractions. This given 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6, get the LCD of 4 and 6. LCD means least common denominator. Now let's have 4 first, or the number that we can divide by 4. So that is 4, 8, 12, and so on. And in 6, it is 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. So we get the LCD of 4 and 6, and that is 12. So now we use 12 as a new denominator of our fraction. how can we get the numerator? So to get the numerator in this fraction, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And in the second fraction, we do the same process. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Times 5 is equal to 10. Now, we already have a similar fraction. So, add the numerator, then copy the denominator. So, we will have 9 plus 10 over 12. So, the final answer is 9 over 12 or 1 and 7 over 12. Next example is 2 over 3 minus 1 over 9. Again, get the LCD. So, what do you think will be our denominator? Yes, 9. So, to get the numerator of this fraction, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And in this part, 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Times 1 is equal to 1. Then after that, since they are similar fraction already, subtract the numerator over 9. So, 6 minus 1 over 9. Therefore, our final answer is 5 over 9. How about if we have this given? 4 and 3 over 4 minus 2 and 2 over 3. So, first, make the mixed number to become improper fraction. So, 4 and 3 over 4 will become 19 over 4. Why? 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. Then, copy the denominator. That's why it becomes 19 over 4. Minus, because the operation is subtraction. Then, make 2 and 2 over 3 as an improper fraction. So, it will become 8 over 3 because 3 times 2 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then, copy the denominator which is 3. That's why it become 8 over 3. Now, get the LCD. And the LCD is 12. So, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 times 19 is equal to 57 minus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Then simplify. 57 minus 32 over 12 is equal to 25 over 12 or 2 and 1/2. So, that's all for today. Next lesson, multiplication and division of fractions. Thank you for watching.